Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would do a glam holiday look wearing mostly Beautycounter. I thought I would go a little outside of my comfort zone and do a bright, mostly red lip. I've always been a lip gloss girl, and I am just now getting comfortable with color on my lips. I've always been a big chapstick fan. I've worn nude lipsticks, and now I'm actually appreciating the beautiful colors that are out there. And I think what I really needed was to get comfortable with all of the rest of my makeup. I think that once you have all of your face put together, then and only then are you going to be comfortable to wear a lip color. Let's get started. So I already primed my face with a moisturizer, and I've already primed my eyes. I want to really bring in the light to my face. I'm actually going to go in and start with this new product that came out from Beautycounter. It is called the Instant Glow Illuminating Cream. I'm just going to squeeze a little bit on the back of my hand. So it actually does have the consistency of a cream. So I'm just going to dot my face a little bit. And it is supposed to give your skin kind of like a lit from within glow. As you can see, there's not much of a sheen, but my skin does look a lot nicer. I would say it's similar to an illuminating primer, but it's good for you. I love already how my skin just looks healthier. So I'm going to go in with my Beautycounter Tint Skin Foundation, and this is in the shade Honey. It is more of a light to medium coverage, but it does not make my skin break out, which is amazing. This has become my go-to concealer, the Cloven Hallow. This is in shade number 4. So I'm going to blend this in with the Clean Beauty Blender. I'm going to go in with my Hourglass Veil Translucent Powder. I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera and I'll come back. So I'm back with eyebrows, and I used the Beautycounter Color Define Eyebrow Pencil. For this look, I'm actually going to use the Beautycounter Classic Palette. This palette I use as an everyday palette. I love the most popular shades are the Suede and the Sable. They really are so versatile. You can intensify them, you can add copper, which I love, for a little pop of shimmer. I'm going to start in with the shade Suede up here. So I'm going to take that Suede and just buff it. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Sienna. I'm going to blend that in right over Suede. Ahead and take Sienna again, and I'm going to just tap and press it in, and I'm going to go on the outer kind of V of my eye because I really do want to have this color as a good base for my look. And I have a standing mirror here, so with this mirror I just look down so I can see my work. But in this mirror, I have to look straight ahead because when I open my eyes, sometimes a lot of the colors that I put on my eyelids disappear because my eyes are, I wouldn't say that they're so much hooded, but more so they're very round, and I don't know if they're deep set or whatnot, but I have learned that I have to also apply my shadows a little bit higher above my crease, because otherwise you won't see most of the colors that I'm using. And I promise it may seem a little scary at first, like, oh my gosh, if you have an eye shape like mine, where most of your work disappears, it may seem a little scary to put color so high up, but I've really liked the looks that I've gotten by bringing the color up higher. See, if I were to do like this, I wouldn't see my crease so much, and I would stop here, but when I open it, my color's hidden, so I do have to go up above. I'm gonna go in with a JH30 blending blush. It's a little fluffier. Just gonna blend out that color just a little bit more. This one I'm gonna be a little more intentional with where I place it. I don't want to go above the crease really. I want this more to be seen when I close my eyes, kind of to follow that shape of my eyeball. So I'm going to go with a flat shader brush. This is the JH41. One thing I've learned is when sometimes something doesn't look as intense, don't go in with like a big fluffy brush and just put gobs on to make it look darker, because you're going to ruin all of the nice transitions that you've just created. It's better to start off with a little bit of color and just build to blend out that darker color just a little bit, because I still want to have that warmer tone. Out that darker color just a little bit. So for this, you want something that's a little firmer. You don't want something that's super fluffy, because otherwise the color will travel to where you don't want it to go. And I want it to stay more on the actual eyelid itself. I'm actually going to use this and put a little bit more of sable on there. Camera restarted. I'm going to go in with my bronzer in the shade Surf. Very pretty color. I like that you can build it up. So I am looking at my skin up close now in this mirror, and I still see the luminosity from the Instant Glow Illuminating Cream. So this is actually my first time using it under makeup, and I don't hate it. You know, I've always been very oily, so any time that there is something that's going to bring a sheen to my face, I've always shied away from it because my skin just produces so much of it naturally. But I have been getting better with moisturizing my skin, and now I understand why people love these illuminating creams. The skin it just looks so nice. My go-to right now has been Date. Just tap it in, blow on it, and just put off some of the excess on the palm of my hand so I don't look like a clown. And I'm placing this above my contour. Putting this on the apples of my cheeks. I feel like it really adds life to my cheeks. Some people don't like that. I'm in the company that does, so that's just me. I'm going to do my lashes. So I ran out of my Beauty Counter volumizing mascara, and I haven't had an opportunity to place a new order. So when that happens, my go-to is the Maybelline Colossal Express, Volume Express. I've been using this for years. It gets the job done. Not crazy about the some of the ingredients in it, but for once in a blue moon, if you're in a pinch, it'll do. So because this is a holiday glam look, I'm actually going to be using falsies, and I'm going to do this off camera and then come right back. Lashes are on, and these are the Ardell Demi Wispies. And I also went in a little bit, not too much, with the Beautycounter liquid eyeliner. It is so chic and so pretty, and it has a little brush, but all I did was just trace the lash band on my lid. I have very round eyes, so I'm a little hesitant to ever do a cat's eye because it just doesn't work all that well with round eyes. Those of you who have almond shaped eyes, you guys can do cat eyes all day long, but for round eyes, it's a little trickier, and I would have to kind of start in the middle of the eyeball. I actually extended it from my inner tear duct over just to make the lash band kind of be seamless along my eye, because since my eyes are round, lash band sticks out a little bit out, and it doesn't always follow my eye shape. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. And then after I went on a pause to put my lashes on, I realized that I didn't put any powder on my brow bone, so I'm going to go in with the shade Ivory. The last thing that I need to finish off this glam holiday look is obviously my lip, and all my life I've always been a chapstick girl, I've been a nude girl. I've always liked my natural lip color, but I've just recently, the past year, I've noticed that my lips have started to lose some of their pigment, so now I'm actually a little more comfortable wearing lipsticks, or let me not say lipsticks, I'm gonna say bright colored lip glosses. That's where I'm baby steps. So I recently purchased the Beautycounter mini lip gloss vault, and I wore this shade, which is one of the more intimidating shades, and also the Black Fig, which is beautiful on, is not as dark as you would think. I think a glam holiday look really requires a red lip, and I've never been comfortable with lipsticks, so the closest I'm gonna get is this color lip gloss in the vault, and it is called Raspberry. It is very close to red. That's what I'm gonna be using today. So this is actually gonna be my first time using this, so you're gonna get my first impression also. These colors are also buildable. They are lip glosses. I think this is already elevating the look. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more because that was a very shy first step. So it's more on the pink side than red. Even though it is raspberry, I thought it was going to be more red in pigment. I actually kind of like this. I can't believe I'm about to say this. I think I kind of wish I were wearing lipstick instead. Red lipstick. This is not who I was a year ago. Your girl never wore lipstick. And now I think I'm ready for it. So if you have always been hesitant to wearing lipsticks, this little vault is I'd say this is the perfect first step to experiment with colors that you necessarily don't want them to be like one of those long wear formulas, because if you don't like it, you can just take it right off. I'm gonna actually see if I can combine another color just to give it a little more dimension. I'm gonna go in with Black Fig, and I think I'm gonna see what will happen if I just kind of do a little bit on the outer edges. Probably should not have been talking while I was putting this on. I'm going to go back in with the raspberry one last time. who said you can't mix up colors? So I kind of got my red lip kind of with these two combined. Honestly, there's something for everyone in this little waltz. It's so pretty, so stinking cute. Oops. There you go. Love this look. What do you think? I think I feel ready to party it up at a holiday party. This is such an easy look to create. I don't think you can go wrong. You can wear almost anything, and this will look festive. You can wear red, you can wear white or black or a silvery dress, and this will look absolutely dazzling. So this is my holiday glam look. So if you like this look, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.